It's Father's Day, and this is what I deal with for 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. She wakes me up at 7 o'clock in the morning, whether I want to or not. She's a good boy, though. Let's go to work, man. All right, guys, so hey, I'm up and I'm at 'em and I'm ready to head out, start my day. I guess I just take you guys along with me this evening and stuff. Hey, and like I said, that's the honest truth how I wake up in the morning. Every morning I wake up with that cat on me around 6:30, 7 o'clock. And, you know, hey, today is Father's Day. I just want to say happy Father's Day, guys. But I just wanted to show you guys also not really my morning routine, but I just think it's funny. And I was able to catch Abby on me this morning and stuff. But I did do a little editing with the, you know, turning around the camera and everything. I just thought that was pretty neat. So anyway, you guys hang out with me today, and we're just gonna, I don't know what we're gonna get into, really. I know I'm gonna go to the car lot here, and I don't even know if the car lot is open on Sunday, you know. So my wife needed a new car, so I think I'm gonna just start doing some research. We have been looking for different vehicles anyway. We knew that we're gonna need another vehicle. We already got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4. We already got 5 vehicles, including my son's. That's 6 vehicles. So it's not like we really need another vehicle. But I always like to keep my wife in a new vehicle and stuff. God forbid if she breaks down or anything like that. But anyway, I'm taking you guys along with me for the ride and stuff, and just come along and hang out, guys, and I'll get back with you guys and turn you guys back on later. All right, so we're about to head to one of their car dealerships. I'm just gonna go to one, see what they got on the lot. Like I said, I'm looking for my wife a vehicle and stuff. I'm gonna go to the Jeep dealership. She's been looking at the Jeeps, and we've had a Jeep one time before. But before we get there, I just want to make sure I, you know, clear up my little saying and stuff, because I want people to really understand. As far as when I say smoke them if you got them at the end of my videos, yeah, hey, I do love my cigars, and we say that around the shop, you know, smoke them if you got them and stuff like that. But it's just not about cigars as well, and you know, it's also about these cars and trucks and stuff, because you know that's what I'm always around and stuff, vehicles, and I see a lot of people, you know, burning the tires and smoking them out and stuff, and basically, you know, it's just a saying, you know, and haven't nobody said anything about my saying, but I just want to make sure you guys know that it's just not pertaining to cigars, because a lot of people don't smoke cigars, but a lot of people like to smoke those tires, you know. Me personally, I smoke them every now and then, but tires cost too much money to be spinning them and smoking them to the metal. But if you like to do that, that's why I always tell people, smoke them if you got them. I hope you guys have a better understanding of when I say smoke them if you got them and stuff. So you don't necessarily have to have a good cigar to do it. So you guys, I'll turn you guys back on once I get to this dealership here. See what they got up in here. You gotta be joking. What in the world? No way. I just came up here a week ago. This is crazy. There's another car in the parking lot. You guys gonna think I'm tripping. Wait a minute, how can I turn this around? This is crazy. No way. Look at this. I come up here to try to look at some. Nah, there was just Jeeps up here. Okay, so what did they say? They say he moved. So they moved to 3193 West State Street. I'm thinking I'm gonna come up here. It was just Jeeps and stuff up here, like, seriously, like 3 days ago, man. Oh man, I'm about to turn all the way around. Alright, so I put this in my GPS and I'm going to see if I can find this new dealership here. That's crazy though, seriously. I just rode past this street like 2 days ago. I mean, that's the big Ford dealership they just built over there.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Man, what is all this stuff down here? I'll tell you what, this can't be it. They got some Jeeps, not the Jeeps that I'm looking for. See here. Everybody got it. I tell you what, this is a dealership on every corner. Here they go. Here we go. Once they get out the car, we start walking around this mob, man. All right. Well, this baby right here, man, I'll tell you. Challenger. I like that color on that Challenger. It ain't bad. I mean, it's base price $38. Total price right here, you can get a 31.6. That's a 2020 right there. Shoot, like that. So these are the Jeeps that my wife wants. I should surprise us. Got a little small window. I don't even know what you. It's a sport. That's like a charcoal color. So basically, it's a Jeep, but it's also a truck. See here. Is that the total? So the total price on that one there, you guys see it. Y'all see it, 45. Gladiator. All right, Jeep Gladiator. So now I know. The Jeep Gladiator. We will see. If I had a choice, I would get a black. Get them all blacked out. Steps down there. So I saw the price sheet in the floorboard. This one is 46. Got a lot of options on it though. I think it looked pretty slick in there, man. I think she would like this. I really do. I said if I had a choice of what color she would like, it'll probably be this light color, like this silver. This one was 45. How you doing, man? I tell you what, I didn't know they moved. I went to the other place over there, and I saw that big sign. I was just over there like 3 days ago. And stuff like that. I'm sure you take that top off. I like the extended cabs though. Yeah, I mean I can work with that one. Let's see what this says. And then this is my I can work with that. 43.2. See, I bet she'll like something like this. Pretty sure it's let's see here. So this is 50. Small bed and stuff. I mean, I just couldn't, see myself getting one for myself just like that because as much stuff I haul. Got some. All right, guys. So I just want to come and check out some of these SUVs and trucks and stuff. So I'm gonna head back to the ride, and I'll cut you guys back on. Gotta head back to the house. I just got a text from my son. He wanna meet me real quick, and he said Gotta go and get the dog. You know, so it's time for me to doggy says as well. So I gotta go get Poppy. I'll cut you guys back on once I pick her up, guys. Well, I guess you guys know what day it is. If I got the dog, it's actually Sunday. Normally we pick her up on Monday. Poppy, this is my son's dog. Y'all know she's a hyper dog, and I can't stand that, boy. I'm too old to be chasing after this dog. I just met my son and everything, and of course today is Father's Day. So me and Poppy gonna hang out half of the day today. I got a busy day today. I always got a busy day. So maybe I can entertain Poppy, or she can entertain me. That's basically what she does most of the time. Right, Poppy? So I'll turn you guys back on in a minute. Alright guys, so I just got through picking up Poppy, and my son just came and dropped off me I guess my Father's Day present. I'm just curious to see what this is, man. Huh. Let's put this over here and to Dad from CJ the Second. Happy Father's Day. Awesome. Alright, so see if I can put this camera down here and let's try to open this thing up on tape. I always wanted to do this. So I guess he made a little package here. Get that camera a little better for you guys. How about that? Alright. Maybe get my ugly mug in here. Alright. Classic Chevy. The CJ, the Cigar Man. Smoke 'em if you got 'em. Oh wow, okay, look at this. So he made me my little YouTube banner, I guess. You know, I can probably, hey, there's a lot of places I can put this thing here, man. It says CJ the Cigar Man. Or it's, you know, at the top it says Classic Chevy with CJ the Cigar Man, and my little slogan, smoke 'em if you got 'em. That's pretty neat. Hey, I got a lot of places I can put that there, man. That's pretty cool. Oh man, alright. I like that. Man, it's hot out here. Man, I like that though, guys. That's cool. Smoke 'em if you got 'em. Hey, that actually gave me some ideas, man. I think I have a lot of places I think I can put this on, man. So let's see what we can make of this here. So hey, thanks CJ for the Father's Day present. He said that his buddy Jacob Grizzle made this for him. They came up with the idea and stuff, and made it. So that's pretty cool, man. Hey, thanks Jacob. I appreciate that, man. I've been knowing Jacob for years, man. Him and my son, that's my son's best friend. So they, I guess, got me a Father's Day present. I'm kind of shocked. So hey, I'm gonna turn you guys back on, and hey, let's try to see if we can have some fun with this, man, and try to make a little video. Hey, and happy Father's Day for you guys. What did you get for Father's Day? Hey, I could stand outside my shop and twirl my sign like they do at the pizza places. That'd be a real cool place to hang my sign, and it's free advertisement. Not. I guess I could put it on the mantle over the fireplace. Nah. Maybe I can get Momo the shop dog to wear my sign for me. No, I don't think so. Hey guys, hey, that's the end of this video. I do want to say thank you guys for hanging out with me today, making this little quick little video. I also want to give the supporting cast here, Poppy there. Thanks Poppy for helping me make this video today. The guy who stole the show for a supporting cast member, Momo the shop dog and stuff, he's ready to go in. It's a little hot out here, so thanks Mo. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me, making this little fun video for Father's Day. Thanks for hanging around with me. And I believe what I'm gonna do with my son, I'm just gonna take it to the car shows with me. I'll probably put it in the front seat, or maybe put it in the back of the bed of the truck and stuff, and let people see it and stuff, guys, because I do like the sign. So thank you, CJ, for my Father's Day present. And it really means a lot to me, son. And like I always tell guys and girls, if you got a good cigar and a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.